Baby Tales.
Bonjour, art lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a trip to Paris as we draw and color one of the most iconic landmarks in the world, the Eiffel Tower. Get ready to add a touch of Parisian elegance to your artwork. Let's start by sketching the outline of the Eiffel Tower. Picture its graceful curves, intricate lattice work, and soaring height. Use your ruler to ensure straight lines and accurate proportions. Take your time to capture the elegance of this iconic landmark. Remember, every artist has their own unique style, so don't be afraid to add your own flair to your artwork. Let your creativity be your guide and enjoy the process. Remember, every artist has their own unique style, so don't be afraid to add your own flair to your artwork. Let your creativity be your guide and enjoy the process. And there you have it, our stunning rendition of the Eiffel Tower, a symbol of romance and elegance. We've transformed a blank canvas into a tribute to the beauty of Paris. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more art adventures. Until next time, au revoir, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your creativity continue to soar.